Alright YouTube, so today we have the Masterforce track saw. I did the unboxing. Today I'm going to do the review, show you guys how it works and if it's any good. So yeah, let's get to that. Let me bring you guys in here. Actually, let me take this out of the bag first. Nice bags. Clamps, saw blade, won't need that, but let's set that over there for now. Saw blade, for the tracks, we'll get 4 tracks. And the build, they're aluminum, but I guess they're not the best tracks. See how they. Alright, so today we're going to use 2 of these tracks. You do get 4 in case you got to do a 8-foot sheet. Over here for now. So there's these tracks. Let me come up here. Let me bring you guys closer. So put these tracks together. Uses one janky connector. Got my Allen wrench. And slides out the fourth in there. Get that other one. Set this down this side for now. Alright, so get these together. Slide this one in here. See, there's 4 Allen heads. Right in there, halfway. In there. So I like to put them about half and half. Cut these 2 down. I like to pull them together. Tighten those down. I've heard other people say don't over tighten these because it will raise up right here. Let's see if I can show you guys that. How about screw it? Say we over tighten it. Like, yeah, we want to over tighten that. I don't know if you can see that now. Let's see if we can. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's right here. It's a big bump. Oh, there you go. From one of the heads. When that happens, it'll probably drag. But the overall quality of it is okay. Like I said before in the unboxing, it's kind of all these things here, they're all misaligned. The tracks, the plastic, I'm guessing like guides or something, just see here, this falling off. Probably get the double-sided tape and put those down or something. But the quality's not the best. The best I can afford. And many of you probably. Unless you know you got the fest tool or the DeWalt, but right here it's got raised edges. Probably gonna cause some issues even here. Let me show you this. See, so right here it has this black edge. So when you first put this down, your blade's gonna cut into this edge, and after it cuts into this edge, after that, that will be your cutting edge. After that, then that's what you put on your line to make your next cut. So we'll do that here in a couple seconds. Show you guys that. Let me show you guys the car. So I don't know, I can't really compare this to anything else because I haven't had a track saw before. This first one. I mean, you can see a lot of plastic on it. Everything's made out of plastic. This is made out of plastic. This is made out of plastic. This is plastic. Of course, you got a plastic vacuum chute. Plastic back here. Everything's freaking plastic. Except for this. I'm guessing this is magnesium or something cheap. But in order to use it, you push this up. You have to push this button and then push it down. It will lock. And you can move it. When you get to the end of your cut, you gotta push that back down before it comes back up. See, so if you want to cut, push that up, push the trigger in, push it down, let go, then it's locked. But if you want to unlock, just push that and back up. Simple Simon. Just like that. The blade it comes with, what I have in there right now, is a 36 tooth. I think it's 36. 40 tooth. Sorry about that. 40 tooth. The one that came in the box, I can tell you right now, buy new ones. The Diablos. It just eats this thing up. And your wood, you destroy it. I'll show you on a piece of plywood here in a couple seconds. Yeah, so your guides here, they hold it to the track, are plastic. You see under here. See how they move right there? I don't know if you can see that. It's like a cam in there. See a cam? That tightens up against the track. So there's no more sideways movement. So you guys see, put this on here. Some sideways movement out there. You tighten it up. Back on there. And there, nice and tight. That makes it accurate. But somewhere around here in the middle, seems like it. See, it will tighten itself. I'll show you this. See that? See what I'm trying to see. Yeah, see. Now it's just jammed down there. This is shit. See, so now that's the problem. See, now it's just jammed. So this cam is retightened up on themselves. Push. Look at that. I can't even pull back. Right there, it's just locked up. I don't know what the hell they can do about that. But just run it how it is. I'm not gonna do no adjustment, no try to fix this damn thing. Let's run it. Alright, so I showed you guys all the little features. You know, if you want to do, here's your height adjustment here. Or just stop it. To stop it, pretty much. So we'll just set it for an inch. Alright. Let me get my wood. Set that up. Be right back. Pause you guys. Alright, so first cut, we're going to set the line up. Just plastic edge guide here. I'm going to try this cut first with no clamps. We're just going to do it how the professionals do it with their expensive ones. I always wonder if it'll work. Track saw with no clamps. Oh, wrong side. All right, there we go. Put it in. All right, we got it set on the line. Bring it back so we cut the whole thing. Alright, this is a test with no guard. I mean, no clamps. Let's give it a shot. Not put it deep enough, huh? Look at the edge, a little deeper. Give it a cut. That's pretty good. Okay, now let's look at this. I'll cut that wood smooth. Where did the edge of this guard? Oh, you guys see that? Yeah, you can see that. See, I chewed it all up. Just chews that all to pieces. That's why I say I get a better blade. Well, let's make another cut. That was right on the line. That cut nicely. Another cut. Alright. Here's the clamps. Go with these cheap clamps. You probably bend them in half. These one of these rails right here. You see here. Got rails for it to slide on underneath it. second, guys. Hold on. Hold on now. Alright. Well, there's another shot. Now it's going to cut right on that line. Look at that. Once you put this up, you can't use the trigger. It must be a lock. So put that down, push this up. Now when you cut, then you flip this up. So let's try that. So what do you do? You pop this one here. No. I can't pull the trigger. That's a stupid design. I saw that fly off. There's just something sticks in there. Stupid. But yeah, look at the cut on that one. Alright. Even with that crappy blade it comes with, it's going to destroy your plywood. So I wouldn't recommend using that blade for plywood. But for straightness, I think it's straight as an arrow. Well, arrows really ain't straight, but it's pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, for what it is, $200. Get you that thing right there. You be cutting some wood. Like I said, I only use it for, I use it to make a couple speaker boxes. Yeah, but see, I don't know what's going on with that. You can't push this up to lock it. You can't pull the trigger. That's stupid. Let's say you gotta push it up. No. That's a dumb feature. It doesn't work. That's what locks it down. You should lock down. Can't pull the trigger. You're gonna push your stuff. Can't pull the trigger. So that right there is dumb. I don't know what's the point of that. You can't push it down once you've already had the trigger in. That's a dumb feature. See, there you loose. Yep, just a little side to side movement. So, if you were to buy this, I would tighten these up to where you need them. I'm trying to get them to lock down somehow so they don't move. That's one thing I do. Definitely lock those down. But the rest of it seems to work pretty fine. This here, let me do the screws. The damn wrench to do that. It's stupid. But in all, I think it's an alright tool. Would I buy it again? Definitely would. You know, compared to the prices of the DeWalt and the Festool, I recommend it. Definitely would. Because I was pretty surprised, guys, when I made that cut without the clamps. I thought I was going to walk all over the place. Because when I last used this, I was using nothing but clamps because I was afraid it was going to walk off. But it did just fine, I think. Yeah, for the price. You can probably find something cheaper on Amazon. I don't know. You know, in the past I've used these things. Everybody knows these. I mean, everybody knows about these things. You know, these clamps, but you gotta measure back, and I've just never got a good cut with these. And I'm not good at measuring, so I like to put the line down, put the track right where I'm gonna cut, and make that cut and know that it's exactly where it's gonna cut on that line. And that, I mean, that's a big, to me, that's the big deal. Yeah, so I mean, the overall build quality of this is, I mean, it feels alright. A little cheap spring up here to, if you can see that, a little cheap spring in here to make it bounce back up. Yeah, I could not get it to lock down. Like, you're supposed to pick this up, lift that up, push it down, and then pull the trigger. But it won't let you pull the trigger. I don't know what's going on with that, but that's not working. Might on yours, not on mine. Yeah, so the overall build quality, I mean, I'd give it a, for the saw, I maybe give it a 7. The blade's okay. The track, that's another okay. You can see the, it's got some flex to it. It would be nice if they'd put one more right here. But for what it is, works just fine. See, that's all chowdered up. It's got two of these little non-sticks pads on the bottom. Yeah, all in all, I think it's a great tool. I'll definitely buy it again. It is from Menards. I normally don't shop at Menards, you know, because Menards doesn't have DeWalt and Milwaukee, but for what they do got, it's alright. I like it. So, I think that's about a wrap. If you're looking for a track saw, it's that one. I get it. You know, comes with the bags. I showed you that before. Bags are pretty quality. I don't know if you ever had them DeWalt bags. They come with the drill sometimes. It's about the same quality as that. Like a couple pockets inside and outside. It says these little hooks on it for you to hang. I don't know where you would hang that up at. I don't know what you would hang that up for, but yeah. Pretty big. Yeah, so that's my review of the Masterforce track saw. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Oh yeah. Give me your feedback, guys. Thanks.